Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step. And today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can insert EMA line on your MetaTrader 5. To do so, first of all, open up the app, making sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection. And now after the app opens up, go onto the charts like I already in. And here you can see a line button beside MN. If you click on this, it will take you to this kind of options. And I'll just click on F and A plus icon. And after that, you can see there's an option from moving average. Click on moving average, and now you can set up its parameters, its style, level, and time frame also. And after setting off your parameters, styles, level, and time frame, you can just click on save, which is on the top right corner of the screen. After that, you are able to see that a moving average has been added to your charts. And now that's how you can insert or add EMA or MA line on your MetaTrader 5. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.